In today's video, I'll show you how to use Spotify group session, also known as Jam. First, open Spotify. Once you're on the home page, start playing any song or playlist. Next, tap the Now Playing screen to open the music player. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Start a Jam. Keep in mind that this feature requires a Spotify Premium subscription. Once the jam session has started, choose how you want your friends to join. For in-person joining, turn on Bluetooth and have your friends tap their phones against yours if they are within 1 meter, or have them scan the QR code displayed on your screen. For remote joining, tap Invite and share the invitation link through messaging apps such as WhatsApp or Messenger. Once your friends join, everyone in the session can add songs and help control the music queue. And that's it. That's how you use Spotify group session on Spotify.